Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a bullet point in Photoshop. First, we go to choose X tool from the toolbar and shortcut T in the keyboard. Press Alt key 0149 in the keyboard. Now we make bullet point. If you wanna move bullet point, then select the move tool from the toolbar and drag the icon. And you can change color. Again, choose text tool and select icon. Go to color icon of the top bar and change the color. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.